Hey guys, how's it going? How to use PayPal for crowdfunding on your PayPal. So first of all, create and sign up with your account if you don't have one. Set up a crowdfunding campaign. Use a crowdfunding platform like GoFundMe or Kickstarter that accepts PayPal, or create simple donation button on your website. Create PayPal donate button, log into your PayPal account, go to tools and then all tools and then PayPal buttons, and then click create buttons and customize it as needed, and then share your campaign. Distribute the link to your campaign or embed the PayPal button on social media, emails, or your website to attract donors, and then withdraw funds. Collect and manage donations through your PayPal account and withdraw the funds as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively use PayPal for your crowdfunding efforts. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.